Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. For that, you want to take out your SIM card and your SD card first of all. So open that SIM card slot right here and then take out the SIM card and the SD card. Put that back in the phone. Other way around. And now we want to go to our settings and go to passwords and accounts, and we want to remove our Google account. And we also want to remove our WhatsApp account. And then we can go back and go to system and go to reset options. Now we can say erase all data factory reset. This will erase all data from your internal storage, Google account, system and app data settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. Erase all data, verify with our PIN, erase data, and now it's erasing and restoring. So now we're back at the start and we can start from scratch again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.